make these delicious cinnamon sausage pockets, we're going to use the ingredients here. Pretty simple, pretty quick and easy. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Originally, I was going to do this with sausage links. This is what I normally do just to make like corn dogs, but I didn't have any, and I still wanted to do the video. So it's like, let's just try something new. I used about 2 cups of pancake mix. You want to make sure that you have a bowl that is deep enough, especially if you're using the sausage links, to dip the sausage down in the bowl. So this was good enough. So basically, I'm just going to start off with putting the sausage on my fork. Now, mind you, I normally do this with links, so I use like a skewer stick or something like that so I can make the corn dog. I didn't have it, but I was like, hey, what's done is done. We gotta see it through. So I just went ahead and dipped the sausage. I did fry it up a little bit just to make sure it was cooked. And honestly, I was shocked as to what happened when I put this in the grease. Then I got a little scared, but it actually came out pretty cute. Like, I was like, okay, I could deal with this. So I wanted to show you guys like a point of view of what it looks like when it went in there. It immediately bubbled up and it turned out like a little lollipop thing. So I thought it was pretty cool. Honestly, it shocked me how it actually worked. I really didn't think it was gonna work, but I was like, okay, this is cute. This is a little cute. So I just went ahead and wrung it a little bit so we can get some of the grease out and put it on some paper towel. And I covered it with some powdered sugar and syrup. And let me let y'all know, I do have a very sweet tooth, so you don't have to use the powdered sugar, and you also don't have to use the cinnamon if you don't want to, or if you're allergic. But for me, I really liked it. It was so good. The syrup added that little, the cherry on top. It was great.